going to give you some pointers on the installation of the motorized slider. Other than the motor itself, pretty basic installation setup. Make sure your frame is plumb level and square. Once your panels are installed, make sure everything is lined up. Make sure the lock is lined up and everything operates smoothly as it should. And being that this has a pocket, make sure that the pocket is set up and everything operates based on the depth of the pocket and everything latches the way it's supposed to. Again, with the unit being so big, plumb level and squares, key points. When it's time to install the motor, there are details in the shop drawings that you'll receive that give some specifics about location of the motor. Then it's just a matter of setting up the motor at the required spacing that's in the print, and then running the belt and setting that up, which we'll show you in a minute. But we're going to open this door right now.